In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Google Sheets. This is a quick, reliable way to build to-do lists, track progress, or flag items for review without typing yes or no. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, and I'll share simple tips to make the checkboxes look and work the way you expect. First, highlight the cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. You can select a single cell, a block of cells, an entire column, or just a few rows in a column. If you want a whole column, click the column letter at the top. If you only want part of it, click and drag over that range. On large sheets, it's often helpful to select the first cell, hold Shift, and then click the last cell to grab everything in between. If your cells are merged, unmerge them before adding checkboxes, since checkboxes need individual cells. And if you're working in a specific tab, make sure that tab is active before you make your selection. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top of Google Sheets. You'll find it on the main menu bar alongside File, Edit, and so on. If you don't see the menu bar, try maximizing your browser window or clicking anywhere inside the sheet to bring focus back to it. This process is specific to Google Sheets, so make sure you're not in a different Google app. Now, select Checkbox. Instantly, checkboxes will appear in the cells you highlighted. You can toggle them on and off with a single click. Behind the scenes, a checked box stores the value true, and an unchecked box stores false. That means you can build formulas that respond to the checkbox state. For example, you can count how many items are checked with a formula like COUNTIF over your checkbox range using true. You can also reference the checkbox cell in IF statements to include or exclude values when a box is checked. To make your checkboxes easier to read, consider widening the column or increasing the row height so there's comfortable space around the box. Center alignment often looks clean and consistent. If you add more rows later, you can copy any existing checkbox down using the fill handle, and it will carry over the checkbox behavior. If a checkbox doesn't click, check that the sheet or range isn't protected and that the cell isn't part of a filtered out area. That's all you need. Highlight your cells, open the Insert menu, and choose Checkbox. With just a couple of clicks, you've added an interactive, formula-friendly control to your sheet.